Hey guys, it's October 11, 12:38. I am Friday night, but it's technically Saturday. I'm working on my outfit. This is my old shirt. Yeah. I'm doing my new shirt because if you guys could tell, my other one was too small. Like our pink tube top, it went. You could.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, just bedazzling everything all over again. Hey guys, so currently I am making clips for Fox Cities. This one says Zhonggao, very cute. And then I made this one, it says Qinghe. And then like just these simple ones, simple cute ones. This is currently my table, and it is currently 9:54, October 15th. And Fox City is this weekend, so yeah. Hey guys, we're on the way to Appleton. We are 44 minutes away. We're not gonna say the time right now.
Yeah, we'll make it.
Yeah, we're gonna go practice on the stage with the rest of the girls. Some of the girls are already there. Guys, everybody's been seeing ladybugs, and a ladybug landed on me and Shona. That means good luck.
Ladybug thing, good luck.
Yeah.
The sky was so pretty today.
Yeah. Alina found a ladybug on her window. Marvin had a ladybug in his car. Okay. I'll see you guys
We'll see you in there.
We're gonna open my not so happy. I hope I get. Angel, I got the person I wanted the least. I got Jin.
Is that BTS?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is for Fox Cities. I'm on my way to the hotel right now. Super excited, but yeah. Also, don't mind my hair. Me and my mom were practicing my hair. So.
Me and Sophia are the first ones at the new year. We're here for stage rehearsal. It's 5:56. Look, it's so nice. It's big. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, but we're super early, so we're just gonna go explore for a little bit. Yep. Guys, we made it to Fox Cities. We're here to stage rehearsals. And we're trying to find parking right now. So stage rehearsals are the funnest. I know. Because we get to see other teams. Some of them.
I think this is perfect. It's not, but we have to go.
Oh, look, Ava Maggie. I mean, Sophia.
Yeah. But see you guys at stage rehearsals. Guys, me and Shona, of course we're carpooling together. But we came here.
We always do.
Wait. Is that not the way over there?
That's the hotel.
Oh. Okay. So right now we're about to go to stage rehearsal. It's like 6:7. It's
6:24.
6:24. So yeah.
Rehearsals is at
6:35. So I think we're here at a good time. Yeah, good time. Hi guys.
Guys, got done with stage rehearsals.
So tired. Hey guys, so I just finished one of my eyeshadow. Patty's over there. Hi guys.
all getting ready upstairs, and then after we're done, we're gonna have to get our hair done downstairs because not a lot of our moms are here. But guys, my eyeshadow came out kind of good. But I'll see you guys downstairs. Okay, I just finished with my hair. There's Lily, Shauna.
Why do mine look so out?
Melanie, Angel, not Angel, Melanie's sister,
Do these look uneven?
Alina, and then, yeah, and then the rest of the here, we're getting our crown on. And then they're fixing her outfit. I have to go change, because I have to go get my clothes in Melanie's room. So, yeah, we're doing Cambodian first day.
At least we're not doing
No. Guys, we just finished rehearsals. Now we're going back up to the hotel room and we're about to leave to the festival. I mean, not festival. Oopsies, the New Year. Yeah.
festival, I guess.
Guys, how do you guys feel?
I'm so excited.
I'm not excited. I don't want to do Cambodian. My head is like, it hurts. I just don't want to. I don't want to do it. Anyways, bye guys. See you at the New Year's. We're on the way to the New Year, Appleton.
Yes, we are 2 minutes away.
And the round starts, supposedly starts at 12:17.
12:17, yeah, that started at 11:50.
Oh, what?
Right? Or like 11 something.
Then it said 12:17 and then it's like 1 something.
Is it? Ooh, am I wrong? Oh yeah, it is 12:17.
Yeah, 12:17.
12:17 today, but we go 8th today, so we're gonna be here for a little bit.
1.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I have a good feeling. I think we're gonna do really
Yeah.
good.
I'm pretty confident today. I'm excited.
Yeah. My head's starting to hurt, though.
Yeah, my crown is crooked.
These crowns hurt so bad.
It's like pokey right here. Okay, it's okay.
We're gonna be there. We found parking at the New Year, and we are we're walking inside, but there's like a protest happening, so there's like so many freaking cars, and we parked on the fourth level because there was literally no parking. But yeah, we just bought the Sanrio, the new Sanrio like blind boxes. I mainly want Cinnamoroll. Where is it? Cinnamoroll, because that's my favorite character. But I'm okay with all of them because they're really cute.
I want Hello Kitty or maybe My Melody. I look really brown. I mean, not brown. I look gray.
I do too.
It's okay. Maybe it's just the lighting.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go find a spot and we're gonna open these. I'll record again when we open them. Bye.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Bro, my stuff keeps doing stuff like that. Okay. We're at the New Year and I bought this thing. But I'm gonna show you what I got. I think I want this one or this one, so this one or okay, part 2. This one, and that one. No! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I got the one I wanted. Oh, she's so cute. I love it. Okay, bye-bye. It's my first day real bushy. But from a blind line, the one I did outside, it's made from outside. Oh, so too. It's okay, guys. It's still so cute. I have to put on my phone. Okay, bye, guys.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no. What the fuck, man?
It's 2 something and we just got done dancing. Now we gotta get ready to go practice. I'm so irritated. Just got back. My Asians are from the New Year and we're gonna see who's at bike. Back at 3. So let's see, it's 2:50. Let's see who's up. I feel like nobody's gonna be there, but there might be people there. My chest is so glittery. Nobody. Is it here? Okay, I guess I still got 10 minutes, so. Hey everybody. We're practicing Hmong after Cambodian round. What the fuck? Who said that? Wait. Okay, yes. Bye.
Saturday. We're gonna show the 2 clips I got. Come in. Hey guys. I got this one, 8 by Whispering Wind.
What? I didn't get clipped.
My nails are really dry. You don't
What
look
if
at
we
that.
just didn't see?
And then I got this one by, I think it's Time
New 6767.
Oh yeah, okay. This is ours. I don't know. Wait.
She said new 676.
Yes, but
67?
anyone else get clipped?
I didn't. Well, actually, I got clipped, but some of them smell beautiful, right?
Wait, where'd you?
Hi guys, welcome to. This is our second day. It's Mom. It's Mom. And Alexis. And whoever is back here. Mila. Anna.
Right here. I know, but did you get her?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
I said she was doing her eyes. Alright, buddy. Bye, guys. It's day 2, and I'm walking to the New Year. My family is over there, but they're walking too slow, so I'm walking ahead of them. Because I want to go see my baby's tailgate. And then, yeah. Oh, there's another one. Who is that? That's Neela right there. Can't see her, but that's Neela. Nayla.
This is my only clip, and then these are my. No, you passed out. I lied. And then I'm gonna pass out these 3. I got mine. We're gonna go pass them out. They're from us, okay?
Hey guys, we bought blind boxes. Guys, this is only $20 and it's so cute. I got 4. She got 4 Sunny Angels. Who did I get? I want Potato or Hello Kitty or okay. Sunny Angels is $20 $5. It's so cute.
I'm opening this one because I'm not that excited about
More clips. Mine.
Number 1 dancer.
This is mine. Lala, as in my name, Lila. It's like. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll do that one too. We're gonna go on stage for the Demon Hunter, and we're gonna clip people. We're gonna clip them as we're on stage. And Diane made a golden one, so yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna pass this one on.
Hey guys, this is the vlog. We just finished dancing and now we're gonna open these as our good luck charm-ish. Okay, should we pop it? Yeah, let's pop it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. This is what I got. Ready? Open your eyes. 3, 2, 1.
We're playing Uno. These are my cards so far. I'm gonna lose.
Guys, I bought slime, and Alina and Melanie are making a dance cover right now. But I look crazy. I bought slime, and I wanna unbox it. Guys, this container is so cute. Oh, it smells good. ASMR. Now we add these, the little foam. Oh, this one's looking good. I like it. It smells like a candle. Cookies. It's cookies. Okay, I'm done with this vlog. Bye bye.
Update, I won right away. On first.
Second place with a total combined score of 572 points, 572.25 points. It is Channel Game!